It is Saturday afternoon. Anna needs to visit her sick friend.
I need to go now. My friend Sarah is sick. I will be back at 8.
Do not worry. I will cook dinner tonight. It will be easy.
Okay, there is pasta and tomato sauce in the kitchen. Good luck!
Dad, do you know how to cook pasta?
Of course! I watched your mom cook many times. How hard can it be?
I want to help. Can I help, Dad?
Sure! Emma, get the pasta. Oliver, get the tomato sauce. Thomas puts the pot of water on the stove. He turns on the fire. Now we wait for the water to boil. This is easy.
Dad, I think you need to add salt to the water.
Oh, right, salt. How much salt do I need? Thomas puts too much salt in the water.
Oh no! That is a lot of salt, Dad.
It is okay. A little extra salt is fine. Now I will add the pasta. Thomas puts the pasta in the pot, but he forgets to stir it.
Dad, the pasta! You need to stir it. It is sticking together.
Oh no! Where's the spoon? Oliver, give me the spoon! Thomas stirs the pasta fast, but the water splashes everywhere.
Dad, the sauce! I will open it for you. Oliver, be careful. Let me help you. Oops, the sauce is on my apron.
It is okay. Do not worry. I will clean it later. First, the pasta.
Dad, look, the pasta is burning. There is smoke.
Oh no. The pasta is all black. I burned it.
If you like this video, please press the like button. And tell us what you want in the next video. Dad, it is okay. Cooking is not easy. You tried your best, Dad. That is what matters.
Thank you, kids. But we still need dinner. What can we make?
We can make sandwiches. That is easy and fast.
Great idea, Emma. Let us make the best sandwiches ever. The family makes sandwiches together. They use bread, cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes.
I put 3 tomatoes on mine. I love tomatoes. Oliver, your sandwich is too big. It will fall.
Dinner is ready. Let us eat at the table. The family eats their sandwiches. They are very happy. Anna comes home. She sees the messy kitchen.
What happened to my kitchen?
I tried to cook pasta, but it did not go well.
But we made sandwiches. They are delicious, Mom. Try one.
Question time! What did Thomas burn in the kitchen? Was it bread, pasta, or rice? Tell us in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun stories.